You walk into a hospital feeling sick. The receptionist looks at you and starts speaking English. You understand the words, but your mouth cannot answer.
Your chest feels tight. Your mind says, say something. But nothing comes out.
If this feels familiar, stay with us, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say at a hospital reception, even when your mind goes blank. Hospitals are strange places. Even confident people feel small there. The lights are bright, the smell is different, your body hurts, and suddenly, English feels heavy.
Yes, at home English feels okay. On YouTube, English feels easy. But in a hospital, everything changes.
Because now it is not practice, it is real life. And real life does not wait.
That is why today we are not teaching classroom English. We are teaching survival English.
The kind of English that works, even when you are tired, scared, or in pain.
Let us walk through this together. Slowly, naturally.
You enter the hospital. You reach the reception desk. The receptionist looks up and says,
How can I help you?
This moment is important. Many learners freeze here, not because they don't know English, but because they try to say too much.
Here's the truth. At a hospital reception, short English is strong English.
You do not need a story. You do not need details. One clear sentence is enough. I need to see a doctor.
That's it. Calm, clear, effective.
Notice something. This sentence is not fancy, but it works everywhere.
If your body feels very weak, you can say, I'm not feeling well.
This sentence is powerful because it sounds human. Native speakers use it all the time.
And if the situation feels serious, do not soften your voice. Say, I feel very sick.
When you say this, hospital staff listens differently.
The receptionist nods and asks, Do you have an appointment?
This question often creates stress. People think, if I say no, they won't help me.
That fear is common, but it is not true.
Answer honestly. No drama. No long explanation. No, I don't have an appointment.
The sentence is normal. Hospitals hear it every day.
Or if you have one, say, yes, I have an appointment.
Say it slowly and say it clearly.
The receptionist continues, Can I see your ID?
This is not a test. This is routine.
Your reply can be very simple. Sure, here you are.
Here you are sounds polite, without sounding nervous.
Now comes the question many learners fear the most.
What seems to be the problem?
Your brain might say, explain everything. But your mouth should say, only one thing. I have a headache.
Or, I have a fever.
Or, my stomach hurts.
That is enough. Doctors ask more later.
Right now, clarity matters more than grammar.
The receptionist asks about time. How long has this been happening?
This sentence sounds long, but the answer is easy. Since yesterday.
Or, for 2 days.
Short answers reduce pressure. Pressure reduces mistakes.
If you really don't know, say, I'm not sure.
This is honest English. Honest English is good English.
The receptionist types something and then says, Please take a seat.
This is the waiting part. Waiting feels longer when you are sick.
If your mind starts racing, breathe. You're doing fine.
You can ask one simple question. How long will it take?
Or even softer. How long is the wait?
These questions show confidence, not impatience.
Sometimes paperwork comes next. Please fill out this form.
Many learners panic here. Writing feels harder than speaking.
You don't need to struggle alone. Say calmly, Can you help me with this?
This sentence changes everything. It invites help.
Now let's talk about money. Yes, this part feels uncomfortable.
The receptionist asks, Do you have insurance?
Answer clearly. Yes, I do.
Or, No, I don't.
No shame. No explanation needed.
Now pause here. This is important. Everything we said so far works in normal situations.
But what if your condition suddenly gets worse?
Your head spins. Your pain increases. Fear comes back.
This is when people panic, and panic blocks language.
In this moment, forget all sentences. Say only this, I need help now.
Or say, It's an emergency.
These words cut through confusion. They move people into action.
Hospital staff understands urgency better than perfect English.
After some waiting, you hear the words everyone wants to hear.
The doctor will see you now.
Relief. Your shoulders relax. You made it. Before we end, there is one sentence that can save you in any hospital.
This sentence is not about sickness. It is about control.
When English feels too fast, when words blur together, say this. Please speak slowly.
This sentence is polite. This sentence is powerful.
It tells people, I want to understand. I want to cooperate.
Doctors slow down. Nurses explain better.
Remember this? You are allowed to ask for clarity.
You don't need perfect English. You need useful English.
This is why this channel exists.
This is Mastery in English.
Real situations, real confidence, real life English. If you have ever felt scared, speaking English in real life, this channel is for you.
If today's lesson gave you even a little confidence, support this lesson.
Like this video, subscribe to Mastery in English.
And comment below, I am ready now.
You are not alone. We learn together.
See you in the next real life lesson.